Hello, hi, I hope सबका CUET अच्छा गया होगा. And after CUET, the next step is obviously making a preference list. So when I was making a preference list, I saw people actually charging money for making a preference list for people. I saw my seniors do the same, although I had very good seniors who helped me make a preference list without charging money. But I saw my friends who had given money to get a preference sheet made, a preference list made. So let's get into it. Let's get started. How to make a preference list step by step. So the first step obviously is to keep in mind the top courses that you want and the top colleges that you want. Okay, make a list 1 to 10 colleges, 1 to 10 courses. So for example, if you want to know what colleges offer what course and what list of colleges, everything is there. I will attach a link down below, the official DU link. The DU website, the Delhi University website, has the list of all colleges, which guides you to the websites of the colleges. Now once you reach the college's website, you can go into their departments column and then you can see what departments they offer. Other than that, my second source from which I saw what I gathered my information, it was from Reddit, r/Delhi University and r/CUET. So a lot of time people were posting their preference list. There were seniors also there, and it helped me a lot. So if you want something that solves your doubt every minute, so the first thing, you have to make that. Now secondly, make your preference list till 20 to 25, because उस पॉइंट तक ना आपके दिमाग में आइडियल कोर्सेज होते हैं कि ये मिला तो भी अच्छी बात है, ये मिला तो भी अच्छी बात है. आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर माई प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट. I made it so many times. If I show you, I had preference list here, then I had written the colleges, my top colleges, then I had made a preference list again. It changed so many times. I made a preference list again, then I made it 2 times more, and then I made the final one. So but I had submitted till 83 preferences, because you just do not want to take a chance. I have seen a lot of people who just in confidence they put like कम colleges और फिर उसके बाद उनको कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. So the second step obviously is making 20 to 25 columns, because till that point of time you're very positive, like ये मिल गया तो भी अच्छा, अच्छी चीज़ें तुम लिखोगे 20-25 तक. जितने भी अच्छे नॉर्थ कैंपस के कॉलेजेस होंगे, जितने अच्छे तुम प्रोग्राम्स ही होगे, तुम बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखोगे. आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर द 20-25, आई गेस इवन आफ्टर 30, आई थिंक तुम थोड़ा ऐसे साउथ कैंपस वाले उस पर आने लगते हो और थोड़ा ऐसे कॉलेजेस पे आने लगते हो जो मे बी मतलब तुम इतना ज़्यादा खुश नहीं होगे, बट यू विल बी सेटिस्फाइड विद इट. एंड एंड की टुवर्ड्स तुम बिल्कुल ऑफ कैंपस कॉलेजेस पे आने लगते हो. एंड व्हेन आई वाज पुटिंग दी ऑफ कैंपस कॉलेजेस, द ओनली थिंग आई हैड इन माई माइंड वाज ये ना मिल जाएगा. But even then, you have to make your preference list as long as you can, because you do not want to open your portal and see nothing, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है वो चीज़ अपग्रेड होती जाएगी. तुम ECA कोटा ले सकते हो, तुम क्या कहते हैं एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स, तुम स्पोर्ट्स, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रायल्स गोइंग ऑन, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन. So as someone who firstly got from general, I got this is my CSS portal screenshot. So from general I got LSR. Then there was this third list released for the defense quota students. Anyone who is from the CW quota can also text me, because I know the procedure of that as well. The secondly I got the same that I got as general. मेरे पास 2 seats थी, one from CW, one from general, for the same course and same college. But then I waited again and I got geography Miranda. So I think I was 10 marks away from the cutoff of geography honors general. Yeah, I'm saying do not lose hope till the end, because you never know. I actually got my 8th preference first cutoff में, and geography honors was my first preference. So here it is. I will be sharing my preference list. It is I changed it. I put it Miranda geography on the second list, second spot afterwards, because you get the option after every round. You get the option to change your preference list. You cannot add anything, you can shift, because if you think कि इसके मेरे chances ज़्यादा, so you will put that on top. So I hope you get that when the CSS portal is giving you the seats, इट डिसाइड्स कट ऑफ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग. तो पहले तुम्हारा फर्स्ट का ट्राई होगा, सेकेंड का ट्राई होगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से योर 7th प्रेफरेंस की कट ऑफ इज़ हाइयर, इज़ लोअर एक्चुअली देन योर 8th प्रेफरेंस की कट ऑफ. ठीक है, तो जब अगर तुम्हें अलॉट हो गया, समझ लो तुमने फर्स्ट पे रख दिया शहीद भगत सिंह बीकॉम ऑनर्स और तुमने सेकंड पे रखा SRCC बीकॉम ऑनर्स, तो इवन इफ यू आर क्लियरिंग द कट ऑफ फॉर SRCC बीकॉम ऑनर्स यू विल गेट शहीद भगत सिंह बीकॉम ऑनर्स. तो जब भी तुम फिल करना प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट, बी वेरी माइंडफुल ऑफ व्हाट यू आर फिलिंग. So yeah, that would be all my tips majorly for the preference list. I will attach the preference list of my own in the end. I have written here, I have written only till 70, but I hope you all get that you can just add any colleges that you think कि हाँ ये course है, ये college है, if I get it, it's fine. So add all that, and yeah, that would be my tips. Please do not pay anyone anything. You know what college you want, you know what course you want. Just be very mindful of what you're making, and it will be good. All the best. Good luck, and bye bye.